Now, in this video, we are going to install VMware Workstation Pro in our system first, okay? So click on Next, accept the terms and conditions then, yes, and click on Next. Then again, we have to change the location destination folder, okay? And then I'm selecting over here VMware folder and click on Next, okay? Tick both the options and click on Next. Now it will take some time to get installed. 1 second. Now it is getting installed. Once it is done, we need to click on finish. Time, yeah, it's now it's getting done. Okay, now let's finish it and open the VMware. Yes. Now we are going to create a virtual machine of Windows 11. So we click on create a new VMware, a typical recommended installation. We'll just check with this. Now click on the second option, click on next. We'll just give a virtual machine name, Windows 11 VMware. We'll just adjust it with the destination folder also. We'll make a new folder, Win 11 VMware. Okay. Now, okay. Now it is done, and just wait for some time. Okay, now new setup screen has arrived. We click on next and click on next again. Agree with everything, deleting the application next. Product key we don't have, so I don't have a product key. I've clicked on it. It is asking us to wait for a few more time. We'll just select the Windows 11 Pro I have selected. Now accept the terms and conditions. Yeah. So now it is letting install. Total size will be 64 GB. Ready to install. Now we'll click on install. All right. Now your PC will start, few times while this installation will be on progress. So as you all know that it may take some time to install the Windows. Okay. You need to wait for some time now. Okay, so as almost 20% is completed. Okay, so well, running Windows 11 Pro within a VMware like a virtual machine on a host operating system like Windows 10, Linux, or Mac OS provides a virtualized environment for testing, development, or specific software requirement. And VMware Workstation Pro for Windows or Linux and VMware for Mac OS offer reboost of the virtualization and capabilities. Okay. Well, this process involves in creating a new VM, selecting Windows 11 Pro, and configuring the hardware and the software settings. So in Windows 11 Pro, okay, virtualization and remote management are two areas where this Windows 11 Pro actually stands. These features cater into the needs of advanced users like IT professionals, businesses, okay, etc. Windows 11 Pro includes Hyper-V, that is a hardware virtualization feature that allows the users to create and run virtual machines on their computer. Okay. So as you see that it is getting a bit slow now, but yes, it is completing slowly and slowly. So we have to wait for some time till the time it is completed so that we can start the process. All you need is some patience while you are doing this kind of activities. Okay, you don't need to click anywhere or do multitasking over here because it will slow down the work that you are actually doing on this system. So now you can see it is almost done now. 75% has been completed. So just 22% remaining. All right, now done. Great. So it will now restart. The system will restart again. It may take some time to boot. I suggest everyone to do this practical one or two times at least. Okay, so that you will be having a clarity how exactly the Windows 11 installation can be done and how you are setting up the VMware and all these things that you can learn only by doing the practical or the lab. So it is now installing. You need to just wait. Don't do anything at this time. Hey guys, I'm just waiting for it to complete. Okay, and ensure that whenever you are installing, check with the system requirement, ensure your host PC supports the virtualization, okay, and it should be having a sufficient RAM that is 8 GB plus and having a minimum storage of 64 GB and above. Okay, now I think it's done. Okay, now the system is rebooting. Yeah, I think it's done now. So just allow a few more seconds for that. Okay, now you can see the installation has been done. So you'll have to do something manually over here also. Just select the country, okay, and then the right keyboard layout. The keyboard layout is important. Yes, it can even skip this. It's checking for the update now. If there is any update on the Win 11 Pro, then automatically the update will be installed. You don't have to do anything manually in this. The update may take a few more time, I guess, right? Okay, till the time the updates has been done. So I think it's done now. It's giving you the suggestion to keep the PC on. Do not do anything. Sit back and relax. It's giving you some, funny prompts as well. Sit back and relax. Good things are coming to you. All these things. All right. So now we just have to wait and watch. You don't need to do anything over here. You can name this device, but I will skip it for now. Okay. Okay, it's asking you to set up for personal use or for commercial use for work or school. I've selected for personal and then click on next. Okay. Again, it's checking for the Windows update. Again, we have to wait for some more time. Now you can see the update, it is in progress. Okay. Now on the bottom of this, you can see there it is downloading. So we have to wait for more time. Okay, so it's quite slow, I guess. Okay, I'll just go ahead and now it's asking to connect to the host removable devices. Now what I have done that I have forwarded this and I'm showing you the step 3 of 3. Over here you can see the system will restart, the virtual machine will restart now. Okay, so over you can see almost done. We are almost done to our final step. It's just asking to keep your computer on. Have to wait here. I think there's nothing much we can do over here rather than waiting. So as I said, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM or 8 GB is recommended. More RAM ensures the smoother performance. Okay, and set the virtual disk to 64 GB at least. Okay, and use NVMe for faster performance. That is the optional that you can select in case if you need it. And also mount the ISO in the VM, CD or DVD drive. Ensure boot priority is set correctly. And please remember, for security purpose, once you install the Windows, add the TPM 2.0 chip. Go to VM settings at TPM 2.0. This is mandatory for Windows 11 VM installation. Sorry. Now, I think it has been done now. So guys, as I told you, please go ahead and practice the labs as much as you can do. Okay, installing the Windows 11 on the VM machine, it's not a difficult task, but yes, you must be aware of the step-by-step process. And at the time you have done with this, it will ask you to create a Microsoft account also, which is optional. You can create it at that time, and you can otherwise you can skip that for this point of time and create it later. Now it's 100% done. Have to wait now. Yes, unlock your Microsoft experience. As I said, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account to access the Microsoft accounts over here, other Microsoft softwares. So I'll just skip it and I'll just wait for some time to get the windows ready for us. I'll skip this part. I'm just trying to show you how to install it. There are several other features which can be enabled, but I am not doing it as of now because that is something which will take us to a different segment. So you see Microsoft 365 Dynamics, everything. I'll just decline each and everything as of now. Okay. Okay. All the games, everything. I'm not doing anything in this module or in this lab. All right. Now you see the Windows 11 Pro has been installed, and now you can use it as per your convenience. Now you can see this is 63 GB. Now this is all that I can show you about the installation of the Windows 11 Pro on a virtual machine. Okay. Now here you can take a snapshot, saving the VMware workstation, saving whatever you have done over here. Okay, I'm managing the snapshot. Okay, now this is all about the installation of VMware and the snapshot. Thank you very much for joining this lab, and I wish you all the best for your examination.